Ready? I did not mean to side surf big drop. I went off into. All I could think of was I could hear your voice like, if you go into tourist trap, just commit to it. And I was like, I think I'm committed, but I'm not sure. And then next thing I knew, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get window shaded bad. And then it just kept holding me. I was like, am I on top of big drop right now? What the heck?
Dude, you did exactly what he said.
I don't know that I did.
No, you did exactly what he said not to. You went on the left side and you kept a straight angle. And you went straight surf.
I know, but you're over there and you just think, you're like, oh, I can get back where I want to get. And it's too late.
When I come around the corner and saw you side surfing, I knew exactly what you did. You done exactly what
I had a really good line there. Did you see my line?
So I think I did fine. We got too far left.
Yeah.
And I didn't commit to going into like that eddy or tourist trap.
Yeah.
And instead it pushed me. And I hit big drop kind of like all the foam piles over here, and I was kind of edged this way, and I was expecting just to like,
Yeah.
and instead I like put a brace over here. Next thing I knew, I was surfing on top of big drop, not like the water coming down, but the foam pile.
Right.
And I was just holding on. I was like, what do I do?
And then you got out the right.
Oh, and then
It won't hold you, Dad. Big drop will not.
well, but I know it won't hold me. But I was like, I didn't think I could just like sit here. Like,
It'll hold you for a second, buddy.
all right, that monkey's off my back, Connor.
Yeah. When we started kayaking 2 years ago, you said there was no way, man.
What's that?
That's awesome. You did it.
I did it. He's been on me. I think I told you, what, a year and a half ago? I said, we waited till the last day. I said, first day back, next year, I'll do it. And then I didn't do it at all. So, all right.
Yeah, you did fine. You got